actually moving around the screen with his glove, and that's what we're trying to approach. Yeah, well, we basically set up a virtual ball, and then you can scale it, and then we can also move it around by moving our gloves.
Andy, can you come out into real space here? You have to be in front of the
Yeah.
screen.
In front of the Yeah.
Okay. Can you step back a row?
Yeah.
So that it looks like you're more disconnected from the computer? Stand on a chair or Okay, so here's Andy.
I don't think it's detecting
So well.
the thing, but it's just detecting the. It's
We
not
can do the pressure. We can do the scaling, but I guess there's a little range problem with the color tracking.
Right.
But our concept is to trying to navigate virtual
It's like a virtual space.
items.
It is beyond reach because you can't actually control virtual space, but then we are kind of controlling it through real space to manipulate.
Yeah, it's a wireless data glove, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And right now it's controlling a ball.
Yeah.
And next week it will control
4 balls.
Yeah.
We could maybe drag it and then maybe a touch sense and drop.
You don't want to use it to invoke narrative? What's more important, the fact that it works or the fact that you can move through a story?
Right now, our sensor is, when you grab it, that's doing the scaling. And then when you move it around, it's tracking the colors on the glove. So what we're hoping to do for next week is to make it more stable for sure, and maybe have multiple objects in this environment.
How about content?
Content,
Yeah.
like
You know, well, it's if you just have objects, it's kind of like a cell phone without anyone talking.
but it's a technique exploring sort
Or a
of.
blank DVD. You need some content to navigate through. Have you considered that?
Well, not really, because we were trying to explore this technique before. Yeah,
It's
because
really nice.
we don't know if it's doable or not, and then we wanted to explore it, like because if you guys have seen Minority Report, you can do a lot of moving objects.
Yeah, he goes like this.
Yeah, and then we wanted
Yeah.
to do something similar, and then expand ideas on that to further studies.
I know.